Okay, I'm here with this young lady called Ssuubi Shine Nakai. Ssuubi, we've been arguing about makeup, right?
Tata, I need to look beautiful at Ariana Grande. Have you ever seen that girl? She's so beautiful. She acts in shows, movies, makes songs. And if you've ever seen her face and that hair and that makeup, you'll almost faint.
But Ssuubi, you don't need makeup. You're a child.
Tata, I'm a 6-year-old. I am turning 7, and I already know what photosynthesis is.
So when you know what photosynthesis is, what's that supposed to mean?
I'm a grown-up and I'm allowed to use makeup.
But okay, you're a grown-up and you're allowed to use makeup. But makeup is for people who want to be beautiful, right?
Tata,
You're already beautiful.
Tata, this is an explanation you already know. Mama gave me lipstick when I was a 3-year-old.
Yeah?
And guess what I did?
What did you do?
I wrote on the wall.
With the lipstick?
Tata, I'm a grown-up woman.
And what do grown-up women do?
They put on makeup when they want to look good. Wow! Tata, change the camera. Look how my mother looks.
Hi, Mama. Yeah, but Ssuubi, but you're already beautiful.
Tata, I want to show those haters who is beautiful.